up? It's Jeffrey. Boy oh boy, are we in for a treat today. We will try something that is known as the most delicious type of food in Xi'an. And you're probably thinking about the Shanxi triple combo, the 凉皮, 肉夹馍, and the 冰峰. But no, this is even better. It is called the 葫芦鸡, Gourd Chicken. 葫芦鸡 is a dish that originates from the Tang Dynasty. The preparation process involves 3 steps that can take up from 3 to 4 hours. First, the tied-up chicken will be boiled in clear water for half an hour to make the meat nice and tender. Then it will be steamed and lastly deep-fried to give it its golden crispy skin. This 3-step process will cause the meat to get separated from the bones and you will be able to tear it right off. So it's a traditional type of food the locals love to present to honored guests when visiting Xi'an, and it's an absolute favorite of every Chinese foodie. So in China they have a saying, 心急吃不了热豆腐, which means haste makes waste. Haste will ruin everything. So in order to make the chicken taste as good as it should be, everything has to be done just right, so you have to be very patient. So this chicken comes served with a chili, fennel, pepper and salt dip, which for me isn't overly necessary. So the chicken by itself is already seriously delicious. So now let's have a try. Let's first put on some gloves, both hands, so I can really dig in. So now let's see, let's tear one piece right off. Juicy, tender meat on the inside and a very, very crispy exterior. Wonderful. Oh my god, that was absolutely amazing. That was chicken heaven. The tender meat inside and the tasty, crispy exterior, the golden brown color. Wow, that was perfect. Don't miss the chance to come and try it for yourself. Hope to see you soon.